Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda. I have another new arrival to show you. This is a 2018 Nissan Murano. It only has 57,000 kilometers on the dial. Let's take a look. Check out the 2018 Nissan Murano. With only 57,000 kilometers on the dial and being priced in the lowest 5% of the market, she's not going to last long. So swing on by the dealership, ask for James Wright, or call the number on the screen. The Murano, you get this keyless proximity fob, so to unlock the doors, all you have to do is walk up to them, press this little button here, they're gonna unlock. When you wanna relock them when you're leaving, just tap that button again. You also have a remote engine starter on the key fob, and there's loads of convenience features inside, like your power seats that have lumbar support and are heated, and loads more. You also have a heated steering wheel with this model. Lots of controls on here, so your cruise controls on the right. On the left, your Bluetooth, media, and menu controls. Just down below here, you have your traction control. This is the button to turn on that heated steering wheel. And of course, your power hatch. And on the door, your power mirror and window switches. Gorgeous touchscreen display. It's very user-friendly. This is also the display for your backup camera, as well as your AM/FM radio. You also have Sirius XM radio, of course, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Just down below, you have your dual zone climate control panel, your push button start, and your heated seats. And of course, the interior is in absolutely fantastic shape. No rips, no tears anywhere. And this giant panoramic sunroof, which opens up with just one touch. In the back, the comfort continues. You have loads of passenger space here. A USB port for charging, rear AC vents, and a folding down center armrest equipped with cup holders. Thank you for watching. So if you're in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle, go ahead and call or text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information or arrange your test drive, and I'll put you in my next gift card giveaway.